Hey everyone, I'm Manero here, and in this video, I'm going to reveal what my art challenge and Procreate freebies for the month of August are going to be about. So let's jump right into it. But first I want to say thank you to everyone who participated on last month's challenge. I had a blast seeing all your awesome submissions and the incredible and healthy sense of community you guys keep promoting by liking, sharing and commenting on other artists' submissions. You can search by the hashtag Manero Challenge on Instagram and Twitter, but mostly on Instagram, to check all the incredible artworks and give their creators some love. If you don't know what my challenge of the month is, basically I provide you with a free and exclusive Procreate brush every month, a color palette, and an art prompt. The challenge is to draw or paint something based on the prompt, using only the brush and the color palette provided. To join the fun, you can post your art on social media using the hashtags Manero Brushes and Manero Challenge, and feel free to include this image in your post. I will be sharing your awesome creations with my audience. You can find the link to download these freebies in the description below. The prompt for August is colorful wildlife. I'm sure you'll agree with me that nature is pretty amazing. It's full of colors and life. This is what I want us to capture for this month's art challenge. Think about all the cool and colorful animals out there. Birds, fish, butterflies and many more. They all have these wild and amazing colors and patterns. This is why I picked a parrot for my painting. They're bright, loud and just fun to look at. Since the idea for this piece was to have the colorful palette as the main focus, I decided to make the drawing with thick black lines. I made an effort on working with simple shapes, almost polygonal. I thought the colors I would add later would really stand out with an artwork like this. The Procreate brush I'm providing you for this challenge will give your artwork a unique texture and feel. It's as if you're working with wet paint, giving a dynamic edge to your creations. When combined with this month's color palette, the possibilities are endless. You don't have to paint a parrot. Maybe you think of a colorful fish in the sea, or a bright butterfly on a flower. Just think about summer, nature, and all the bright colors we see during this time. The color palette I've made for this month's challenge is intense and dynamic. I've selected two shades of orange, dark and light blue, a light teal, green, yellow, pink, and purple. These colors remind me of all the cool stuff we see in nature. But remember, you can add other colors if you need to. The idea of the challenge is to have fun with it. For my painting, I focused on simplicity in shapes. The tree branches resemble straight lines, and colorful circles represent the sun and sky in the background. You can incorporate these simplistic shapes, or come up with your own style, drawing inspiration from nature. The primary goal here is enjoyment. Art is a journey of expression, and this month's theme, colorful wildlife, is all about capturing the essence of nature in its full glory. So, grab the brush and the palette and let's create something wonderful. And this is the final result to my own take on the challenge. I really hope you liked this video and that you decide to join the fun. I can't wait to see what you guys will create this month. Of course, if you have any questions after watching this video, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more art-related videos and give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure to check out my Gumroad page, where you will find the Challenge of the Month freebies and many other brush sets for Procreate that I have available. I'm sure something will suit your artistic needs. All the links are in the description below. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.